Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how what should be done after installing the Windows 11 on your laptop or PC. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, tap on the start menu or Windows icon and go to the settings, and here in the settings tap on the system. And here in the system, go to the notifications and turn off the notification from the app that you don't want to get notification from. Like if you don't want to get notification from Microsoft Store or Messenger, you can just turn it off like this. If you don't want to get the notification from sniping tool, then you can turn it off, or from Google Chrome, you can just turn it off the notification. And now let's go back to the system. And now tap on the power and battery. And here in the power mode, if you are not using your computer for editing or for gaming, then select your power mode on balanced or best power efficiency. It will improve your battery performance. And now again go back to the system. And now go to the nearby sharing. And here, if you are not connected to other devices or other laptops, then turn off the nearby sharing, because it will send the sign or resources of your computer to other devices. So turn off the nearby sharing if you are not using this. And now go to the personalizations. And here, tap on the taskbar. And here, if you want to customize your taskbar alignment, then you can tap on taskbar. And here you can customize your taskbar alignment by selecting left or center. Many people prefer their taskbar alignment to the left, but personally I like mine to the center. But you can customize as your preferences. And now go to the apps. And here in the apps, tap on the install apps. And here you may find many unnecessary applications that is installed into your PC, and select that unnecessary apps or that apps that you don't use and uninstall that apps. And for example, if you are not using Microsoft Teams, then you can just install this application from your PC. By doing this, not only you are making your computer faster, you are also saving the resources for your hard disks and RAM usage and the processor usage. And now go to the accessibility. And here in the accessibility, tap on the visual effects and turn up the transparency effects and animation effects. It will improve your battery life performance or battery health of your PC. And now go to the privacy and security. And here in the section of Windows permissions, tap on the general. And here, turn off these options. Let apps show me personalized ads by using advertising ID, or let websites show me locally relevant content by accessing my language list. And turn off these four options. But if you need it, you can just turn it on. But personally, I would recommend to turn it off, because it will continue to use your battery usage in the background and you don't want your computer to die soon. So turn off these options. And let's get back to the privacy and security. And now tap on the inking and typing personalizations. And here, if you want custom inking and typing dictionary, you can just turn it on. Or if you type a lot, then you can just turn it on. But if you don't need it, then you can just turn it off. And again, go back to the privacy and security and tap on the diagnostic and feedback. And here, if you want to send optional diagnostic data, then you can just turn it on. And if you don't want to send optional diagnostic data, then you can just turn it off. It is basically based on your preferences. If you want, then just turn it on. And if you don't want, then you can just turn it off. And again, let's get back to the privacy and security. And now tap on the search permissions. And here in the search, choose the moderate Once it is done, you just have to update your driver, and we also have to create a additional local account because the account you are using is online based, and if something happens or if you forget, then you must have the additional or secondary local account that have rights of admin. So to create a additional local account, go to the search bar and search for other users, and this type of interface will be shown, and tap on add account, and here tap on the I don't have this person sign in informations, and here you can create an account by creating a new email address, or you can use your old email address which does not have a Microsoft account, and here enter the username, and here to make it secure, create a password, and here re-enter your password. And in case if you forgot your password, set your security questions and tap on next. And after creating an account, you have to tap on this arrow which is pointing downward, and tap on change account type. And here in the account type, you have to choose administrator and tap on OK. Now you have successfully created a additional local account. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.